Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to do niche research for YouTube automation. So first things first, you have to start with proven automation friendly niches like finance, about investing, side hustles, tech, AI tools, applications, and how-to tutorials, health, luxury, cars, lifestyle. Also, you can look for motivation, facts, documentaries, and then gaming, especially updates, lore, list. So, for example, if you want to focus on the tech or AI tools or applications, then the next thing to do is to look for any topic related to tutorials or tech tutorials. Now, number two, validate demand. This one is very important. You want topics people are already searching for. So let's just say if it's all about AI or tech application, you can use YouTube search, Google Trends, competitor channels if you want to check if the videos are getting high views or not. So, for example, you can look for YouTube, Google Trends, and then Brand 24 for competitor or channel competitors. So as you can see, these are the steps. It will show you YouTube competitor analysis and what you're going to do in order for you to analyze competitors in 5 steps. So for example, if we're going to use YouTube right here, you can search, for example, if you'll be focusing on how to tutorials for Canva, like application. So you have to search for how to tutorials right here first, and then it will show you some samples. For example, let's just say again, I'm going to look for how to tutorials Canva. Then in the YouTube, you can use the filter. So for example, how to tutorials application, as you can see here, number one is Canva. So we're going to change this one and then I'm going to type how to use Canva. Let's just say for beginners. Also, you can be very specific. And then here you can tap on the filter. So you can look for the type, videos, duration, let's just say up to 8 minutes or more, upload date, and also features and prioritize, let's just say popularity. It will show you Canva tutorial videos. And as you can see, in a matter or in a span of 3 weeks or lower than that, you can see the views. As you can see, it's very high. So in that case, you can look for that specific channel and then study the channel, study his videos, the way he uploads, the way he create titles for his or her channel or her video, then you can create or you can make it as an inspiration in order for you to start with your own how-to tutorials. Aside from that, you can also go to Brand 24 or you can look for any other sites that can help you use this competitor or channel competitors. So for example, this person right here or this channel right here, we can look and study his way of creating video, also titles, and apart from that, you can also use the Google Trends. So, for example, if you can type on Canva, tap on Explore, it will show you here the analytics. Okay. So, if you want to be very specific, like if you're concerned with viewers in United States, you can change the location, and this is what it looks like. So, you just have to simply study this trend right here, like interest over time, top queries, and more. Then once you analyze everything here, then you can come up with an idea or a title for your Canva. You can base with this Google Trends right here with the titles and the performance. And then after that, then you can now create your Canva tutorial. So that's it. So once you have gathered this analysis, then you can proceed with creating your video and you can start with creating your tutorial with a Canva. So as you can see, I have used here YouTube for research, Google Trends, and then also site for competitor channels. Next thing is you have to measure competition. So not all popular niches are good. Look for red flags. These are red flags right here. And then green flags. Simple editing, repetitive formats, weak thumbnails, titles you can outperform. Okay. And then you have to look for high CPM niches. So mostly high CPM includes finance, like credit cards, investing, business, making money, and tech. which is, of course, we chose Canva tutorials, and lower CPM memes, basic entertainment, and some gaming content. Next is we can use the micro niche strategy instead of broad topics. You can be very specific. For example, how to use Canva for beginners. Okay. And then you can test before committing. You can upload 5 to 10 videos in a niche per day. You can track click through rate, watch time, views, and so on. So you can also look for repeatable formats if you want. Now you can ask for a help from AI tools like TubeBuddy. As you can see in TubeBuddy, you can look for specific keyword or any trending topics, also hashtags. And aside from TubeBuddy, you can also look for VidQ to help you. So basically, these are the ways on how to do niche research for YouTube automation. And I do really hope that this one somehow help you when it comes to creating or building your own YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorial.